好，同学，我们今天要看120页的 Rainforest 雨林，请同学翻到120页，然后先看着自己的课本哦。老师会跟那个电脑可能要互相使用，所以有一些荧幕如果震动的话，请同学多包涵。好。Now, if we talked about the rainforest, usually a typical rainforest will look like this. Okay, now you can see this picture. Now there is a slope here, right? And this is the very top of the rainforest. And you can also see different types of plants, of trees here, right? Because there are different layers in the rainforest. Just like the ocean, the rainforest has 4 layers. Now this is the rainforest structure. You can see the trees are very different, and the heights of the streets, they're different sizes. Look at the right hand side. There are 4 layers. The top layer is called emergent layer. Emergent. Now, emergent comes from, you know the word emergency, right? Emergency is something that happened unexpectedly. 所以这个是就是 arising unexpectedly or suddenly appearing. 所以这个是突然间出现的，或是浮出来的、凸出来的。OK。或者露出来的哦，这个叫 emergent layer， 也就是你可以看这个照片，也就是它是凸出来的，对不对？这个叫 emergent layer，OK？Now the second layer from the top is called canopy layer. Canopy 就是我们说顶啊或者罩子 ，is like an umbrella, right? It can protect. It's like a roof that will cover an area in order to protect the area. 这个叫做顶罩，或者但是中文整个来讲，canopy layer means 树冠层。那刚刚那个 emergent layer 我们叫它因为它露出来露深层，深是生活的生，露出来那个露深层叫 emergent layer。那第二个 layer canopy layer 叫树冠层，冠好像是一个帽子，树冠层。好，同学请把它写下来。And then the third layer is called understory or shrub layer. 那这个层呢，我们叫做灌木层。灌木。Now shrub or understory or shrub layer. Now shrub means smaller trees, right? But with a lot of branches. 这个叫做它有很多的树枝呢，比较小，这个叫 shrub layer, or you can call this understory layer. 那这个叫灌木层。Okay? And the bottom layer is called the forest floor. The forest floor 就是我们的底部，对不对？这个叫地面层，地面层。So these are the 4 layers of the rainforest. Okay? Now, and then we need to know, if you look at our book, it talks about Brazil. Brazil means 巴西，对不对？ Brazil is this dark blue area， 就是这个深蓝色的区块哦，这个叫 Brazil 巴西。Now Taiwan is here. It's very tiny, right? So from Taiwan to Brazil is actually a long distance. 它是一个非常长的一个距离哦。好，这个就是 the location of Brazil in the world. Okay? 好 if you look at this map, then Brazil is here. Okay? This is South America, and Brazil is very big. It covers almost, I think this is about half or more than half of South America, right? And this is the Central America, 这是中美洲, and this is the North America. So Brazil is here, okay? This is South Atlantic Ocean, 就是南太平洋，南大西洋，那这个是北大西洋 ，okay? All right, so this is the location of Brazil, but why do we need to know the location of the country of Brazil? Because the Amazon rainforest is here. The Amazon rainforest is the biggest rainforest in the world. Okay, it's here. Now this is Brazil, right? And this is the rainforest. It's called the Amazon rainforest，就是所谓的亚马逊雨林哦。OK， 好，那现在我们来看一下课本，也就是121页。好了，我就先把它挂起来哦，要不然那个镜头一直在震动。Right, now tropical rainforests are found in the Amazon region of South America, as well as in tropical areas of Central America, Africa, and Asia. Almost half of the rainforests are in Brazil. Tropical rainforests are very old, thick forests where it rains more than 1.8 meters per year. The oldest rainforest in the world is in Sarawak. It is 10 million years old, and it has 2,500 different kinds of trees. Right, 所以第一句呢 ，Tropical rainforests are found in the Amazon region of South America。他说呢，热带叫 tropical， 那我们讲过副热带或者亚热带叫 subtropical rainforests。好，这个叫 tropical rainforests， 就是热带的雨林呢 ，are found in the Amazon region of South America， 也就是热带雨林是在南美的亚马逊的那个区域哦。Region means area。还有呢 ，as well as in tropical areas of Central America， 还有呢，就是在中美洲的这些热带的地方哦，热带地区，还有 Africa 是当然非洲也有，还有 Asia 亚洲。Almost half of the rainforests are in Brazil， 也就是大概一半以上的雨都是在巴西。Tropical rainforests are very old， 就非常古老，而且呢是 thick， 在这里不当厚，我们当浓密哦的那些什么森林，就又古老又浓密的那个森林。那这个地方怎么样 ？Where it rains more than 1.8 meters per year, it's supposed to rain there, right? It has a lot of rain in the rainforest， 所以它下雨呢，大概每年大概1.8公尺。好，再来 ，the oldest rainforest in the world is in Sarawak。Sarawak， 等一下老师会放给你看哦。这 Sarawak is in Malaysia, so that's the oldest rainforest. Now, how old is it? It is 10 million years old， 大概有1000年的之久。And it has 2,500 different kinds of trees. 它有2500种的树木。好，那现在我们来看一下那个it's quite big. The Amazon rainforest is quite big. Let's look at this one again. 好，假如你知道那个亚马逊的那个雨林的话，你就大概会了解，就是说其实它在南美，那它其实有9个不同的国家。覆盖的9个不同的国家，也就是它的领域在这些国家里头哦。那比方说 Venezuela， 这个是委内瑞拉、Colombia 哥伦比亚、Ecuador 就是厄瓜多、盖亚那。那这个还有 Brazil， 还有 Bolivia、Peru 这几个，对不对？然后还有法属的啦。那大概是他们号称是在9个国家的境内都可以看得到。The Amazon rainforest。OK， 好，那现在呢，老师要你看这个。The rainforest, the Amazon rainforest facts， 也就是老师刚刚有讲的哦。我们先看看在这一段，你要把它看完哦。这里头大概有包含了 it covers the information, the structure of the rainforest and the information that you need to know about the rainforest。好，同学自己把它看完哦。等一下我们再继续讨论。